The operation course for GPS aerial photography aircraft. Replacement and assembly accessories. Replace the aircraft's fan blades. Remove screws. Take out the blades and pay attention to A and B blades. Put them in the corresponding hole and tighten the screws. Camera installation. Press and hold the clip. Pull out its module. And finally push the module in to install the camera. After frequency matching, the camera can be controlled to move up and down through the steering gear on the remote control. Press the left and right buttons of the battery to pull it out. Use the USB charging cable to connect the sockets of battery charging and adapter USB. And its indicator light will be on after it is full. Press its left and right clips. Push it into its UAV base. Make sure it is in place. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to start up, and the prompt sound indicates that power is on. The remote control uses USB charging cable to connect the charging socket and adapter USB interface. The USB light goes out, meaning full power. Preparation before flight. Frequency matching. Firstly, expand the lower wing of the aircraft. Its upper wing, then the forelegs of the wings. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to start the aircraft, and place it on the open and flat ground. Before matching, please make sure the horizontal arrangement of the machine body. Standing at its right back, turn on the remote control switch then. Its indicator light flashes. Push the throttle lever up to the top and then the bottom. Then the indicator light is always on, meaning successful frequency matching. At this time, the remote control displays mode 1, the indoor optical flow mode. Gyroscope calibration. Press the remote control lever to the lower right corner. Then the indicator light flashes quickly, meaning the completion. Phones are connected to aircraft Wi-Fi. Use mobile phone scanning QR code to download app software and connect Wi-Fi in its settings. After connection, open the app software. Open the remote control mobile phone bracket and pull it into the phone for convenience. Geomagnetic correction. Press the geomagnetic correction key and the indicator light of the aircraft flashes quickly. Then pick the aircraft up horizontally, lift it off the ground and turn it 3 times clockwise. At this time, the remote controller beeps. Put the camera downwards, erect the aircraft and turn it 3 times clockwise. After the controller beeps again, the indicator light of the aircraft will always be on, meaning the completion. If operating indoors, you need to press and hold the headless key to exit GPS mode. It is recommended to fly outdoors. GPS positioning. And the number of GPS satellites can be checked through the LCD screen of the remote control. When the number of satellites is about 10, the remote control will send a prompt tone indicating the completion of positioning. At this time, the remote control displays Mode 2, the GPS mode, and can be used for outdoor flights. Basic flight operation function. Aircraft unlocking. Push the throttle lever and direction lever to the lower right corner and the lower left corner at the same time to unlock the aircraft. Press the key to take off. The aircraft automatically hovers at a height of about 1.5 meters. Then press the key again for 1 key landing, and the aircraft will land on the ground automatically. In flight, the aircraft can rise, descend, turn left, turn right, advance, retreat, fly on the left, fly on the right. Speed gear adjustment, speeding up and slowing down. Press the headless mode button. The remote control will give a prompt tone. Starting headless mode. Press again to cancel the mode. Click the remote control video button to record video. And click the photo button to take photos. Open the album to view the recorded content. Waypoint flight. In GPS mode, open the app map, draw the flight waypoint, and the UAV will fly automatically according to the waypoint. Encircling flight. After determining the encircling center point, control the surround radius with a remote control, and the aircraft will fly around the center point. Following flight. GPS return. Press the return key and the aircraft will automatically return to the takeoff point. Gesture shooting. Give V-shaped gesture and take pictures automatically 3 seconds after successful recognition. Face the camera, close the 5 fingers, and raise one hand horizontally. After successful recognition, start automatic video recording, make gestures again, and stop video recording.